Look guys, what a wonderful graffiti. And that is the shop. So guys, now we go back home. Alex will sleep a little bit. I will drink some tea or coffee with a cake. So we stayed with our friends. That is why this time won't be any open house. We won't show you the apartment where we are living at the moment, because our friends do not want to show their apartment to the world. If that were a hotel room, we would definitely film it for you, but this time it is impossible. So our friends invited us to come to them and stayed for 1 week. So, and we accepted their invitation. We came by car. It took us more than 2 days because our car broke not far from the border of Russia, and we had to return back to find the car parts. So, and that is why our trip was about 7 hours longer than we planned. So 2.5 days and we are in the capital of Georgia. So we are living with our friends. We are staying at their apartment, and then we will go back to Russia also by car. And also we'll film as much as possible on the way back home, because I know that you love to watch Russia, not Georgia. I wanted to tell you guys that this vlog won't be very historical, so we won't tell you a lot about the historical info. So I think we won't go to many museums, or maybe we won't go to them at all, because we would like to have a look just how people live. Georgian Football Federation. So our vlogs will be our impressions about Georgia. Alex's impressions about Georgia. So Russians in Georgia. So what is new for us, what is strange for us. So we will share with you our impressions. Hello guys, and welcome to Different Russia channel. The evening tour around Tbilisi, and at the moment we are with our friends at the parking lot. Alex wanted to have a look at the market. That this parking lot is the market of second-hand cars. That is very unusual, because in our area where we live, in the Moscow region, I haven't seen such markets. So people bring cars and sell them, second-hand cars. Some cars are in bad condition, some cars are really in very bad condition, and some cars are so people bring such cars from abroad, put on this parking lot, and then they make all the documents on the car. So and this parking lot is specially for such second-hand cars. Some cars are without numbers and some have transit. As here, you see. So maybe tomorrow we will come here because Alex's friend has some business here. They have to do some work. And I will show you in more details. So as you can see, some cars are really in very bad condition and some are so. For example, this one, as you can see. We are having a small tour around Tbilisi. The evening, about 7 o'clock in the evening, the sunset, rather warm. Very big impressions. We are living in a very rich neighborhood, and this neighborhood is for ordinary people and for, I think, not very rich people, middle class and lower. So tomorrow we will come here and I will show you this area a little bit better. Here they have the market, fruit market, and some local shops. And that is, guys, the car that we are driving. That is electric car, hybrid. Alex told me, hybrid. So we are driving with our friend today. So a small excursion. Very comfortable car, Toyota. I will ask Alex. I think he knows how much is to park here. So if you bring the second-hand car from abroad, you buy the second-hand car from abroad and put here, so how much you have to pay and for what period you can put the car here. Rather interesting, guys, I think, to have a look at how people live. So traveling, that is super cool. With all these sanctions that we have, I do not care much about the food, about some particular kinds of cheese, but what I'm sorry is about traveling. So we cannot travel abroad. That is very bad. Have to say a few words about the roads. In general, the roads are not bad, but some roads are in horrible condition. I do not think that in Moscow we have such roads. Now everything is not bad in Moscow, if to speak about roads. Today, guys, we are lucky and we have a small tour around Tbilisi. Alex, say a few words about the car.
Прошу машину.
Alex says, great car. Hybrid? Alex, do you like it?
Да.
Alex says, yeah.
Маленький расход бензина, очень экономичная машина.
Alex says this car eats not much petrol, so that is great, especially now when we have big problems with prices on petrol.
Ну, дорогая. Единственный минус — дорогая.
Alex says the only disadvantage that the car is rather expensive. And it is very silent, guys. That is my first time when I drive by electric car, so very silent inside. But I have to say this car is not for me, because this window over here and this display, so they close all this view. That is not for bloggers.
Да. Сюда можно прикрепить камеру.
А?
Сюда можно прикрепить камеру, чтобы туда снимать.
Alex says over there can be camera, so it is possible to attach the camera over there. But, well, in general, I have to say it's not for a blogger, because this part over here is also very big, very big distance from the glass window and this display. And so half of the screen will be with this black panel, dashboard, or how it is called. Alex, how it is called in English? Dashboard? Панель управления. Торпеда, dashboard, yeah? Alex, how do you like Georgia?
Пока не понял.
Alex says at the moment it is not clear.
Очень жарко.
Very hot.
И она очень горная такая.
Alex says a lot of mountains here.
Не для пешеходных.
Not for pedestrians, not for walking along the streets, especially for those who have problems with legs. Let's have a look what is inside, the better look. Hello, Alex. How are you?
Привет. So.
So. Alex is hungry and grumbling as usual. Opa. Alex, what is here? Can you explain? There's a speedometer, yeah?
Угу.
And what is here?
Угу.
Что это?
Где? Тахометр.
Тахометр?
Угу. Расход батареи.
Very big dashboard. And if to film from here, the window and this panel, this display, so they close everything.
Вот двигатель заряжает батарею.
Yeah. That is the charging of the battery, guys. The engine charges the battery, you see. I think for many of you that is all familiar, but for us that is for the first time. Yeah, Alex.
Да.
So for the first time, that is why we show. So if you know everything, please do not watch this video. It's not for you. That is not the review of the car. That is our impressions about the car.
Новая машина, всегда новая машина.
Alex says the new car is the new car.
Что Генри Форд говорил, хороший автомобиль, новый автомобиль.
Alex says Henry Ford said some time ago, a new car is a good car. And I'm sitting over there behind Alex. It looks big from the outside, but I think rather small inside. I don't know why. I have such a feeling.